Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about angle properties of parallel lines. First, let us understand what are parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. Coplanar means in the same plane. Like in the figure, line N and line P are in the same plane. Parallel lines are also denoted with arrows showing that these two lines are parallel. Line N and line P are parallel lines. Transversal. What are transversals? A line that intersects two or more lines at two different points is called transversal. Line T intersects line N and line P at two different points. Therefore, line T is a transversal. Let us know what are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal and on the same side of the line. To make it easy to learn, we can say that corresponding angles are look-alike angles. What do we mean by look-alike? Angle 2 and angle 7, they are look-alike angles. They look like letter L. Angle 1 and angle 8 are look-alike. They are like reverse L's. So, pairs of corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. What is the property of corresponding angles? As they are look-alike, they are congruent. So corresponding angles are congruent angles. Therefore, angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 7. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. Angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Now, when we talk about parallel lines have two regions. One between the parallel lines, which is called the interior. Second, on either side of the parallel lines, which is called the exterior. So now let us learn about alternate angles. Alternate interior angles are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. Angle 3 and angle 4 are on opposite sides of the transversal. However, they are adjacent to each other. So we need non-adjacent interior angles. So angle 3 and angle 8 are alternate interior angles. Therefore, pairs of alternate interior angles are angle 3 and angle 8, angle 4 and angle 7. What is the property of alternate interior angles? They are also congruent. Therefore, angle 3 is congruent to angle 8 and angle 4 is congruent to angle 7. Now let's talk about alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles, like interior, are non-adjacent exterior angles that lie on opposite sides of transversal. So exterior. So angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. We need non-adjacent. So angle 1 and angle 6 are alternate exterior angles. Therefore, pairs of alternate exterior angles are angle 1 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 5. What is the property of alternate exterior angles? They are also congruent. Therefore, angle 1 is congruent to angle 6 and angle 2 is congruent to angle 5. Let us talk about consecutive angles. What are consecutive angles? Co-interior or consecutive interior angles are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. So now they lie on the same side. So for angle 3, angle 7 is the co-interior or consecutive interior angles. Therefore, pairs of co-interior or consecutive interior angles are angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. What is the property of consecutive interior angles? Unlike corresponding and alternate angles, consecutive angles are supplementary. What do we mean by supplementary? These angles make 180 degree. Let us talk about exterior angles or consecutive exterior angles. Co-exterior or consecutive exterior angles are exterior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. So, for angle 1, the exterior angle is 5, and for angle 2, the exterior angle, co-exterior angle is 6. So each pair of consecutive exterior angles are also supplementary. What do we mean by supplementary? As we said, it is 180 degree. So when we add 3 and 7, we will get 180. And when we add 4 and 8, we get 180. Similarly, for exterior angles also, if we add 1 and 5, we get 180. And when we add angle 2 and angle 6, we get 180. Now, let's summarize now corresponding angles. So, angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 7, right? So let us see for angle 3 which angle is congruent as per corresponding angle. Yes, for 3 it is 6. Excellent. What about angle 4? Angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. Excellent. Now let's talk about alternate interior angles. So interior, alternate means either side. So angle 3 is congruent to angle 8. So angle 4 is congruent to excellent 7. Now let us talk about alternate exterior angles. Corresponding angles, alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles are congruent. Yes, so alternate exterior. So for 1, angle 1 is congruent to, yes, angle 6, and angle 2 is congruent to angle 5. Let us talk about the consecutive angles. Now we have co-interior or consecutive interior angles. So for angle 3, are they congruent? Consecutive? No, they are supplementary. So what you'll say? Angle 3 plus angle 7 is equal to That's right, it's supplementary, so 180. Angle 4 plus which angle will be equal to 180? Angle 4 and which angle? Yes, that's right, angle 8. Now let's talk about co-exterior or consecutive exterior angles. So for angle 1, which is the co-exterior angle? Angle 5. Excellent. Are they congruent? No, they are supplementary. They are supplementary. So angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to, very good, 180. Angle dash plus angle 6 is equal to 180. So which is that angle? When I add with angle 6 will be 180 as per co-exterior angles. Very good. That is angle 2. With this, I finish this video on angle properties of parallel lines. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye.